Hello everyone, welcome once again, and in this video we are going to code the second question of this series. And yes, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe and do hit that bell icon. Okay, so stay tuned and let's code. Okay friends, now let's see the question. Okay, so as you can see, this is simple a table, okay, with the heading, title, upvotes and date. Okay, so during the initial render, the list is rendered, okay, it is sorted in descending order by upvotes, okay, by this category. And when you will be clicking on top, then it will be sorted by date in descending order, okay. And on clicking on newest, it will get sorted by upvotes in descending order. So this is the question basically. Okay, now let's see the solution. Okay, so as discussed in previous video, HackerRank provides us a URL that we can clone. Okay, so once we clone that URL, we get this basic setup that we get after we run the create react app command. Okay, so yeah, what we have to do is we need to run the npm install command to get the node modules, and then we need to run npm start to get our code running. Okay, as you can see. Okay, so initially the code looks like this. Okay, simple 2 button and with heading. Okay, so I will be coding first the function to sort my array by uh, date. Okay, and friends, one more thing, if you have not yet watched my previous video, then do watch that video also, because in this we are provided with hard-coded array of object. But in that question, previous question, we were given an API that we have to fetch data from. Okay, so do watch that video also. Okay, so now our first function is complete. Now let's begin coding our second function, in which we will sort our array by upwards. Okay, so in this we have to simple do b dot upvotes minus a dot upvotes. Okay, so cool, our two for both the functions are ready. Now we just need to pass them as props. Okay, cool. I hope both the questions, both the functions are clear. Okay, so now let's go to app.js, where we are provided with two functions. Okay, so let me define a state over here, articles array, empty array. Okay, now as we know that during the initial render we have to sort the data by upwards, and that too in descending order. Okay, so in my component did mount, let's code let articles, okay, this dot props dot okay, so we have called that function. Okay, so this means that, wait for a second. Okay, so we are passing the articles. Okay, that means we will be having updated articles. Okay, so simple go ahead and set state your articles with sorry, this dot props dot articles. Okay, cool. So now let's make two function more. Okay, so let's make on top clicked clicked. Okay, so here also what we need to do is when we will be clicking our top button, okay, so in this we have to call basically the function in which we are sorting the array by date. Okay, and here upwards. Okay, so cool, our project compiled successfully. And yeah, now let's add the click handler on click. Okay, so on click this dot on top clicked on this dot on newest click. Okay, so cool, we have just, we have like written our click handler also, and now let's pass the articles. Okay, articles equal this dot state dot articles. Okay, so we are passing here the updated articles in state, or I mean to say in props, through props in this article component. Okay, so we have to just render over here. Okay, so we do not need any state here, all we need is const articles, const articles from our props. Okay, and now what we need to do is we just need to traverse our array that we are getting from props. Okay, so let's quickly do it. Map, here we get the element and the index. Votes, and here we have our element dot date. Okay, so cool. Okay, so one more thing friends, we need to give here the key property. Okay, for uniqueness. Okay, so I will assign it index. Okay, so I guess our coding is done. Now let's see. Okay, so cool, as you can see we have our list rendered in our table. Okay, so initially yes, it is sorted by upwards in descending order, as you can see. Now let's try clicking on the button. Okay, so cool, when we clicked on top we got our list sorted by date in descending order. And let's click on newest. Okay, cool, so guys, it's working. And yeah, let's check the code once again. Okay, so we were provided with this hard-coded array. Okay, we made this two function to sort them. Okay, and we passed the things in props. Then here we again coded this two function. Okay, so we added the click handler, we passed the state in props. Here we simply traversed it and rendered it. Okay, so cool, I hope you understood the question as well the solution. And yes, if you like the video, then do like sorry, and yes, if you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned, thank you.